back today at our very own. And okay. Didn't even give a turn and expected me to think that they'll be turning right. कोई बात नहीं, Indian सड़कें after all. Yeah, so where were we? Yeah. What I was saying is we're back again at our daily observation shenanigans. Okay. My bad. I thought he was turning ahead. So we're back again. Yeah. Probably the third time right now. And the weather is quite good today. What I feel is that it's Pune telling us that it wants us to get wet, but again it wants us to reach wherever we want to reach just fine, because in simpler terms it's raining but it's not raining. So it's like somebody left a tap open just a small and because of that small droplets are rolling over. That's what it feels like. The rain droplets are so thin and tiny that you can't even feel them until there are a lot of them on your face or anywhere. Hence Pune getting back to us saying it's raining, but again it's not raining. Although I just hope it doesn't rain too much, because my fair share of driving out here in Pune has given me the full info that people around here don't know how to drive in rains. It's not just because they drive carelessly, it's because they don't care about other people as well. So if you see a pothole, they'll be splashing water all over them and all over you. They don't really care if it's water splashing over them as well. They just want to splash water, that's it. So I just hope it doesn't rain too much. Just let us reach where we want to and then go ahead, rain as much as you want, I don't care. As long as we reach where we want. That's my only call out here. Please Pune weather, I insist, be with me. The infamous chalk. I really need to find out what the name of this chalk is, because it's the most hectic or frustrating chalk of Pune that I've ever come across. What a lovely weather. What a lovely weather. Like, it's not, the sun's not out just because it's raining. It's probably out there, but because of the fact that it's raining, it's cloudy everywhere. So we're not able to see the sun really. But nevertheless, it's such a nice weather. Such a nice weather to drive in. Hey, Red Bull. Please tell me you're gonna show me some acrobatics. Please. Please, I insist. Please keep the left turn free. Nah, you won't. I know, you won't. Plus, I won't mind though as well because it's full of water from the left side, and I don't wanna. I don't know. I literally don't want to color my shoes black. I'll just probably wait. Uh, can I? Can I? Should I? Nah, I shouldn't. I shouldn't. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. So this guy wants to turn to the left. I'll head to the right so that I'm sure nobody's spilling anything on me. There's one more weird watery shit over here as well. Yep. Escaping all these potholes is as if what I feel is as if we are in a game and these are levels and your skills are getting increased after every level. A lot of skills ideally. Skills of knowing what kind of people drive around you. And skills of trying to determine how much water is inside a pothole as well. At this point I should just stop. Why the fuck am I yapping about potholes and the amount of water they have? Why? Ooh la la. This is the first time I'm seeing such a color on the Meteor 350. I like the concept of the bike. I like it, and it looks good. It's just that I hate the new Royal Enfield sounds because they've lost the thump that they usually had. The what do we say? The deep wooden noise or the thump that they had is what I feel is lost, and I would love to have something or Royal Enfield bring that back because it's required. It's normal for their vehicles. What I feel like is we've ideally taken too much out here. I'll just probably stick to my lane. Anyways. Come on, let it be green at least. Alright. Alright. Why was I guess the RTG was totally confused as to where she wants to go. Like she just stopped in the middle of the road. And probably are you gonna decide standing there as to where you wanna go? Weird shit though. Weird shit. Indicate where you wanna go, buddy. Come on. Make roads a safer place for everyone to travel. Come on. Indicate where you wanna go. Hey, Sardarji. Seeing a Sardarji out here in Pune is such a rare sight, and I feel happy seeing someone of my community out there. Because they are a rare sight out there. Rest everywhere, Sikhs are quite common now. I would say common, but yeah, they are there. And out here, it's very rare. Yeah, Shairi 101. Why did you build a road that's half Pakka and half with this? Come on, come on. Keep the left turn free for me. Please. Good. I mean, he didn't want to ideally. Keep the left turn free. That's alright. Yeah. That's all for this one. Quite a short one. But let's get back to you in another one. Cheers. Bye bye.